In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear large scheduled action logs in WordPress and WooCommerce. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to WordPress.com. This is the main hub for building and managing your website, and it's where we'll begin the process. Open your preferred web browser and enter WordPress.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the Login button. It's typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button and then enter your credentials to log into your WordPress account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the WordPress dashboard. This is where you control the many features and settings of your website. From here, navigate to the Plugins section. You'll see the Plugins option on the menu, usually on the left side of the dashboard. Click on Plugins and it will take you to a page displaying all the installed plugins on your site. On this Plugins page, you'll want to look for the Add Plugin button and click on it. This feature allows you to search for new plugins that can extend the functionality of your WordPress site. In the search bar, which is conveniently located at the top of this new page, type in Action Scheduler. This is the tool we'll be using to clear those large scheduled action logs. As you search, the Action Scheduler plugin should appear in the results. When you find it, click on the title of the plugin to learn more about what it can do. Once you're ready, you'll see an option to install the plugin. Click on Install and give it a few moments to complete the installation. Once installed, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the Action Scheduler on your site. With the plugin now active, it's ready to help you manage and clear your scheduled action logs. This plugin is valuable because it keeps your WordPress site running smoothly by routinely handling background scheduled events and logs that can otherwise slow your site down over time. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to clear large scheduled action logs in WordPress and WooCommerce. Using the Action Scheduler plugin, it's a simple but important task to maintain the performance and reliability of your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and have a great day managing your WordPress site.